This 2018 Monaco RV Marquis 40J is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Monaco RV is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, U-shaped dinette. This 2018 Monaco RV Marquis 40J is built on a Freightliner XCM Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.